taking the port. Nice. 1451.3. Steady oil pressure, about 40 psi. When you rev it, it goes up to about 50. Let's see. Well, this linkage is just junk. The linkage is just junk. Anyway, you can hear that knocking. Take care of it. Everything's in great shape. Leaks nothing. 38. Runs beautiful. Except for that knocking. Hopefully they will fix it. Look at it. Nicely done. Dirty. Tender. Dirty. Gotta lay that towel up. Got these valve covers on it. Don't like them. Glad it's what it came with. Hear that knocking. Hear it? What the hell? It kind of goes away. Hopefully they fix it. Nice. Not a leak of anything anywhere. Oh, look, the fan came on. Must be... What is that? 140, yep. Fan came on, that's good. Running perfect. It's all settled down. Except for that knock, they gotta figure that out. This thing idles beautifully. No exhaust leaks anywhere.